A digital multimeter is like the Swiss Army knife of the electrical world. This versatile tool allows you to measure voltage, current, resistance, and so much more with just a flip of the dial. Imagine you're diagnosing a tricky electrical issue. Your digital multimeter becomes your trusty sidekick, instantly giving you accurate readings to pinpoint the problem. Whether you're testing the voltage of a battery, checking the continuity of a wire, or measuring the current running through a circuit, the multimeter's bright digital display makes it easy to see exactly what's happening. With its compact size, it fits neatly in your toolbox but packs a punch when it comes to functionality. Whether you're an electrician, engineer, or a DIY enthusiast, this device makes tackling electrical projects feel like a breeze. What's really cool about a digital multimeter is how user-friendly it is, even if you're not a tech wizard. No more guessing with needle dials. This gadget does the thinking for you. Most models come with auto-ranging features, which means it selects the correct measurement range automatically, so you don't have to stress about inputting the right settings. Plus, many modern versions have extra features like temperature measurement or data hold functions, allowing you to record readings for later. In short, a digital multimeter is the ultimate all-in-one gadget that gives you the power to troubleshoot electrical systems with speed and precision, turning even the most intimidating circuits into a fun, manageable challenge.